Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken fry using an easy method. First, select your chicken pieces, like drumsticks or thighs, and pat them dry. Gather your essential ingredients, all-purpose flour, a couple of eggs, and some plain breadcrumbs. Don't forget to season your chicken generously with salt and black pepper for great flavor. Now let's get that perfect crispy coating. Begin by dredging each chicken piece thoroughly in your seasoned flour, shaking off any excess. Next, dip the floured chicken into the beaten eggs, ensuring it's fully coated. Finally, press the chicken firmly into the breadcrumbs, making sure every surface is covered for that delicious crunch. For perfectly cooked chicken, heat your cooking oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place the breaded chicken into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each piece for about 6 to 8 minutes per side, until it's golden brown and cooked through. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your chicken is beautifully golden and crispy, remove it from the oil and let it rest on a wire rack for about 5 minutes. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping your chicken moist and tender inside. Serve your delicious homemade fried chicken with your favorite sides, like mashed potatoes or coleslaw, and enjoy. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.